Hi, I'm Abdullah Ali. I'd like to thank Ms. Madeline Pinto for the event and KFI Global. There's definitely a lot to learn from this. My friend and I, we've been on about financial literacy a lot. This is one of the aspects you don't really learn at universities. It's something where you learn on your personal journey. So it does give you a sneak peek of what you have to do in life, what mistakes not to make. So I definitely recommend it to a lot of people. And thanks for Emirates NBD for sponsoring the event. It was definitely a good time.
Hi, I'm Anita. I attended the two-day KFI Global program. Initially, I didn't really expect much, but my life has been transformed. I feel like financial literacy is a skill that we all need to learn, whether we're college students or even adults, so I'll definitely recommend this to everyone. I recommend the podcast Smarter, Richer, Braver. And I want to thank Emirates NBD for awarding us this opportunity to learn so much.
Hi, my name is Kumail Malik, and I was part in the KFI Global program sponsored by Emirates NBD. It was an amazing and it was an extremely informative program that told me about how to manage my finances, what hidden interests. One of the parts of the meeting that really educated me was on the interest and was of budgeting and etc. I mean that's not important for you guys, but as for me, that was an extremely valuable information because I should be informed about the financial literacy and what things I should be aware of. So I would like to thank Ms. Marilyn for taking out her time for educating on this program, and I would really recommend this program to you guys because you need to know what things you need to be aware of and what financial problems you might come up in the future. So this program really future-proofs you on what to be aware of and what not to do. So I'd like to thank Ms. Marilyn, and I'd like to thank Emirates NBD for sponsoring this program for us. So thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Fatima. I attended the KFI Global program 2 days. Initially, I wasn't interested in I thought it was going to be a regular talk, but I heard the finance management. I was straight into that. I need that lessons because in managing your finance, it should be a thing that everyone should learn. And after the school, high school, everything, you're getting onto the real world. You should have money is an important thing. You should have every knowledge about it. Otherwise, you're gonna mess up your whole life. It's true. So I thank you for Emirates NBD for sponsoring this.
My name is Ritik Kumar, and I attended the lecture of Ms. Marilyn Pinto from KFI Global, and I really enjoyed it, and I realized that the things she was telling us in this class were actually things we do in real life. And currently I realize I relate a lot to all these things, and I'll probably do much better now in arranging my money and all. It's really difficult as a child especially. So I'd really like to thank KFI Global for arranging this program for us and Emirates NBD